What's going on, everybody? It is Will White here to help you with the unboxing and customization of your new mask. First things first, as soon as you took it out, you saw that it was in half like this. What you want to do now is you need to customize this to your face or it will not fit properly. So as soon as you take it out the box, if you were to do it, you'd be out here like this, exposed. Okay, so the first thing to do is take the apex of the mask, point it towards the bridge of your nose, squeeze in, kind of contour what the bridge of your nose is like anatomically. Make sure you're pushing this point closer to your face to get the wire to bend a little bit more towards you to close that gap up some. Then you want to go to where the wiring ends, which is right here. You want to do kind of like a handlebar mustache adjustment to come up some. Bring your mask back down to about the apex of your chin. This is where it should sit normally. And from here, you just kind of contour, smooth it out, get it comfortable. Don't be out here looking crazy. Small adjustments go a long way to now you have the coverage that you are needing. Another very important thing to note about your new mask is that the elastic on here is brand spanking new for every single mask, so it has the least amount of give that it's ever going to have. If that is a little too snug for you, a little too tight, if you're feeling like you might be on the verge of getting those headaches that happen, what you want to do is grab them at the base of where they come out of the mask and then just stretch the elastic a little bit. It doesn't have to be for hours, but just a little bit, and it'll start to loosen up the more you stretch it. And I mean, this is a workout basically. I'm working out from home. Haha, pec flies, baby. What's going on, guys? I'm back again with one more size adjustment. If you're finding that even with the contouring that I just showed you, it's still not quite fitting the way that you would like it to, there is another route that I have for you guys. So here is originally how your mask is. What you want to do is you want to take this ear strap and flip it towards the front to where now it looks like this, right? And what you're doing is you're bringing the lining from the back towards the front. I want you to do the same thing on the other side, like this. And then you bring in your mask and make sure that that stays flipped. Same on this side. And then here you are without any prior adjustment. All you have to do now is you can contour it the same way that I taught you how before, and you can get an even better seal, tighter fit. There we go, that's it. Plus you got some more design there, y'all. When I did these, I thought about y'all from every aspect. So enjoy and please stay safe.